YouTube? It's your boy Spiritual Homie Cash, man, back with a little sweet audio for y'all today. Today's topic, we're going to talk about how you can see the signs of low self-love, okay? So that by the end of this video, you'll be able to have that discernment, knowing, you know what I'm saying, the signs, okay? And actually taking action on improving that self-love, okay? So that, you know what I'm saying, it can be stronger, bro. You gotta have that strong relationship with yourself and the Most High God, like I always talk about on this channel, all right? So if you're new, everything I talk about is through my experience, okay? So if you're gonna hate, you can simply just click off the video, all right? Ain't no need for the negative vibes. I don't do the negative vibes. It's just a waste of time. But if you're here to dig up this game, this wisdom, this knowledge, my brother, make sure you stay to the end of the video, all right? And make sure you apply it to your real life. Make sure y'all boys tap in with the merch. If you haven't already got your merch, I will leave that link down in the description below. I appreciate every single one of y'all that's supporting the Spiritual Homie apparel brand right now. Go ahead, keep rocking that drip, man. It's gonna be more to come soon. Y'all boys, make sure y'all tap in with the Patreon as well as the one-on-one consultation links. I will leave all 3 links down in the description below. Y'all make sure y'all go ahead, tap in. All right, now let's hop into the topic, man. So before we even get into talking about the signs of low self-love, we got to know what self-love is in general first. You feel me? So self-love to me, honestly, is like I said at the beginning of the video, having that strong connection with yourself, embracing being your true self. You know what I'm saying? Flaws and all. I'm talking flaws and all, bro. And recognizing your worth. You feel me? You got to be able to accept the flaws, okay, in order to figure out, you know what I'm saying, what you worth, your value. You feel me? In order to grow, you feel me? You have to accept things. Self-love is pretty much you focusing on yourself, your growth, your development, your happiness, okay, rather than seeking for validation from others, okay? Self-love is the best love, man. If you don't got love for yourself, we need to change that in this video, my brother, all right? Because having that self-love is what helps you grow, okay? It's what helps you self-develop in life. It's what helps you self-improve in life, dog, okay? By simply acknowledging your past mistakes, you know what I'm saying, past trauma, you know what I'm saying, things that you've been through that been the worst, okay, you got to use those as opportunities for growth rather than looking at it like it's a L, okay? So self-acceptance, self-awareness, self-care, okay, self-love, that's what's going to help you foundation-wise to help you fulfill your purpose, okay, to help you live this life, you know what I'm saying, smoothly, okay, go throughout this life smoothly, dog. So now that we know the meaning of self-love, now I'm gonna hop into telling y'all the signs of low self-love, okay? And you can see this throughout every day, okay, from everybody, because we all souls having this human experience, you feel me? So you're gonna see who really got love for themselves and who don't by the end of this video, my brother, for real. And this ain't nothing to bash nobody, so please don't look at this video that way, okay? If this is you, okay, if you have any of these signs going on, like I said at the beginning of this video, you should be able to look at those signs, accept those signs for what they are, okay, and make a change on it, okay? Take action on it so you can change that, my brother, okay? This is not to bash anyone. This is not to, you know what I'm saying, do none of that. I'm really talking through my experience, okay, and what I've been through, you feel me? What I had went through before I, you know what I'm saying, started to build this self-love or be on this self-love journey, okay? This shit takes time, y'all. You're not going to just automatically love yourself overnight, okay? This shit takes time, especially if you super indulge into this matrix, you know what I'm saying, worried about any and everything and everybody else besides yourself, okay? It's definitely going to take some time for you to grow out of that and, you know what I'm saying, become a true version of yourself, all right? I ain't saying it's hard. I'm just saying it takes some time, okay? I ain't saying it's something hard to do. This is something easy to do, dog, okay? It's simply you just being tired of the bullshit and focusing on yourself, okay? Locking in on yourself, okay? Because don't nobody really deserve your love but yourself, okay? You got to really look at shit like that, dog. That's why men crash out and do the things they do over a female, because they don't got that love for themselves. Literally getting fucked up situations, Travis Hunter, for example, all because they don't have that love for themselves, okay? Some people will be like, I love myself, but do you really? Okay? Do you really? You're gonna figure out by the end of this video. All right. I promise I'm done yapping. We're gonna actually hop into the topic. So, first sign of low self-love would have to be from a physical standpoint or a 3D type of view. You feel me? So your body, okay? Are you taking care of yourself? You better have good hygiene. You better be brushing your teeth and washing your ass, okay? Another sign, poor like body posture, okay? You ever see men walk around just slouched over, like they just having a terrible day, like, you feel me? Just slouched over, like, and this was with anybody, man, female, you feel me? Just slouched over, dog, like, you feel me? Have some body posture, especially as a man. Have some good body posture, bro. The next physical sign would be overeating, also under eating. Okay, so this is why balance is a very, very important thing. Okay, you do not want to have too much of one thing. You feel me? That's what I really had to learn in this life, just in general. That's with everything. Okay, you don't want to overdo anything, and you don't want to underdo anything. But yeah, people who overeat, they be just eating just to eat. Okay, they just be, you know what I'm saying? Like niggas don't even be hungry. You feel me? Look at it like this, bruh. If you know you overeat, okay, look at it like this. It's something that is inside of you that is telling you that you're hungry, but it's not your stomach, bruh. Okay? Trust me, it's not your stomach. All right. Especially if you know you just ate, bruh. If you just ate, why would you, like, come on, bruh? Why would you, come on, bruh? He was not that hungry. You feel me? Find something else to do besides eating. Okay. All right, there's plenty of other productive things to do, but just eating just to eat, dog, just because you like, bro, you're not even really hungry, gang. Okay, trust me. Okay, when your stomach be growling, that don't mean you hungry. Okay, that's really your body, you know what I'm saying, doing its job and clearing out all the worms and other bad shit that's inside of your body. You feel me? From you eating all of that bullshit. You feel me? If you, especially if you know you eating bullshit. That's why I'm saying people who overeat mainly be the ones who be eating bullshit. I ain't gonna lie. And I know this because I've been one of them niggas to just be eating bullshit, straight bullshit. Okay. But I had to learn, you know what I'm saying, balance that shit out with fruits, you know what I'm saying? Then once you do that, you start to learn how to, you know what I'm saying, fast. You feel me? When you learning how to fast, that's fine, okay? That's good, bro. Okay? Because you're being disciplined. That's mainly what I'm trying to get out of this. If you overeating, bro, have discipline, okay? Don't just eat and then eat again, okay? I'm gonna need you to start fasting, okay? Wait some hours out so that the universe, the most high, can, you know what I'm saying, give you all the energy and, you know what I'm saying, pretty much give you the upgrades you need to your vessel, okay? Because stuffing your face with food, stuffing your belly with food ain't doing nothing but just doing you bad, okay? Because it's like your body or your stomach is constantly at work. It's constantly at work trying to, you know what I'm saying, get the food, get all of this bullshit out of your body, dog. You feel me? So if y'all want a little more tips, a little more game, a little more knowledge on fasting, okay, I want y'all to watch my benefits of fasting video. I will leave that down in the description below. Y'all make sure I go tap in with that and watch that so you can have a little more clarity on what I'm talking about. But yeah, man, show yourself some love, okay, and stop overeating. All right. And when it comes to under eating, okay, it's the exact opposite, okay? So I know I just talked about fasting. Yes, okay. Fasting is a good thing, okay? There are really spiritual benefits that you get out of fasting, y'all. Okay. Make sure you do your own research. But yeah, when it comes to fasting, make sure you don't starve yourself, okay? Definitely make sure you get some good eats, my brother. All right, so you can still get those nutrients to your body, okay? Still get those nutrients to your vessel. You feel me? You don't just gotta be out here eating bullshit. You feel me? Definitely make sure you balance it out with some fruit, some vegetables, you know what I'm saying? Some natural shit, some God given shit. You feel me? Rather than a fucking burger or a pizza, puke on the bread, like my nana say, because that's all it is, just some bullshit on bread. You feel me? Some bullshit on some dough. Like that's all it is. A whole bunch of random shit on dough. But don't hate on pizza, man. All right. We still gotta accept You know what I'm saying? You don't gotta accept the pizza, but I accept the pizza for what it is. You feel me? So you know what I'm saying? I don't mind eating pizza here and there. But like I said, I like to balance out my diet with fruits and vegetables. You know what I'm saying? I go like a whole week of just straight fruit and vegetables, you know what I'm saying, to clear out my, you know what I'm saying, body, to clear out my vessels so that I can, you know what I'm saying, be more vibrant, you know what I'm saying, be more high vibrational, you know what I'm saying, rather than low vibrational and me eating a whole bunch of bullshit. You feel me? That's gonna have me in that mood. All right. Yes, your food has a lot to do with your mood, uh, the way you feel throughout the day, etc. It's a lot of things about the food you eating that you don't know about. Okay. So definitely make sure you do your own research, my brother. I'm big on intermediate fasting. So when I eat, it'll either be the middle of the day or the end of the day. You feel me? Cause it's like, I mean, breakfast is the most important, you know what I'm saying, meal of the day. But it's like I be wanting to build up that dog. So I be, you know what I'm saying, building up that hunger, having that hunger throughout the day to get through my tasks. You feel me? You gotta have that dog in you. You feel me? But then again, don't just listen to me, take this advice, and then have your ass starving. Okay? Listen to yourself. Okay? You know what's best for yourself. All right? Know thyself. So yeah, not only did I just give y'all the signs of low self love from a physical, you know what I'm saying, standpoint, from a physical point of view. Okay. But I also told y'all some shit that you could do to improve that. Okay. To, you know what I'm saying, take action on it. All right. So the next signs of low self love is going to be from a mental point of view. Okay. It's going to be sort of mental and spiritual mixed together and emotional mixed together. But I'm just going to name all the last few signs right here for y'all. And we're going to start with negative self talk. All right. This is a big, very, very big one. And this is why I wanted to say it first. All right. Because it's something that I have a problem with still to this day. I ain't even gonna lie. It's something I definitely got to grow from, but it's more so all in the head. Like, I don't be bursting out just, you know what I'm saying? I don't just be out the mouth just giving out negative energy to any and everybody or negative self-talk to myself. Okay. All of this be within the head. All right. It just be different thoughts, different emotions. You know what I'm saying? Temporary, all temporary though. You feel me? To make you feel that way. So to kill those negative thoughts, what you think you got to do? Obviously replace them with positive ones. Okay. So try meditating. Okay. Clear your mind. All right. Take the time out to do deep breathing to clear your mind. All right. Focus on your breathing. The second you have a thought wandering off to something else, okay, you come back to your breathing. Okay. That's how you meditate. Deep breath in 4 seconds, deep breath out 4 seconds. All right. You should be doing it for at least 10 minutes a day, my brother, just so you can get that little mental clarity. I want to shout out Damo the Spook. I like one thing he said. He said, meditation is like clearing out the apps on your phone. You feel me? When you got all these apps running on your phone all at once, and then you swipe up that button at the bottom, you swipe it up to clear out all the apps. You feel me? You swipe out all the apps. That's how meditation feels, okay? You just got a clusterfuck brain, okay? All of this shit going on in your head. All you gotta do is meditate, do deep breathing to clear that out, okay? So that you can be tapped into the present moment and just focusing on what you need to focus on in the present moment. All right. Make sure you're doing some affirmations as well. All right. Saying them out loud. I am a king. I am attractive. I am a son of God. I am bold. I am brave. I'm a dog. You feel me? Confirm it to yourself. All right. Go ahead, confirm it to yourself. Let yourself know. Show yourself that love, okay? To be able to kill off those negative thoughts, those negative vibes, okay? Because if you sit there and dwell or, you know what I'm saying, chill on those negative vibes, okay, you sit there and just deal with it. You sit there and just, you know what I'm saying, it's going to grow, okay? That plant, that seed of negativity that's planted in your head, that negative talk that's going on in your thoughts, it's going to just get bigger. Okay. It's going to get bigger and bigger the more you sit there and dwell on that thought. Okay. So take action, meditate. Okay. Affirm to yourself And also talk to the Most High God, okay? He can also help with that problem of having that negative self talk, okay? The next sign of low self love, I talked about this at the beginning of the video, and I talked about this in the Travis Hunter video, okay? Staying in toxic relationships, okay? Making yourself stay in a relationship as to where y'all just arguing all the time, okay? As to where y'all can't agree on shit, but you still want to stay in a relationship, okay? That's bogus, all right? Tighten up, show yourself some love, okay? Especially as a man, if you out here just clinging on to a female that's not showing you no respect whatsoever, for real, I'm gonna need you to take a step back and really know your worth, my brother, okay? Because a nigga like me not finna get disrespected, all right? Soon as some bullshit happens, soon as that, like I said, red flag pop up, and this goes for females and men, okay? Both of y'all need to understand to leave the relationship, okay? Simply just go y'all separate ways, okay? Do not stay in a relationship where somebody is disrespecting you or y'all continue to argue and disagree on things, okay? Your loved one should be someone that brings you peace and nothing but peace. All right, so this last one, okay, last sign of low self-love would have to be if you out here seeking for validation, you out here seeking for other people's approval. All right. All of this is mentally, y'all, because at the end of the day, all you got to do is shift your mindset, okay, to think in a better way. Because why the fuck are you out here seeking for people's validation, okay? All of that validation that you looking for, you already got it, okay? You only need it from yourself, okay? That's the only little bit of validation you need. And from the Most High God, of course, okay? But from other souls having this human experience, okay? Just seeking for them to have a reaction for whatever it is that I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying, get validation from, is bogus, okay? That's bogus, all right? Because at the end of the day, nobody else's opinion really gonna matter except for yours, okay? Like I said, it's a mindset thing. So you could be thinking, for example, you give out a product and you think it's valid, okay? You think it's perfect, you think it's straight. But then you release it or you show other people your product, then they say it's trash. They say they don't like it. They say it's ass, okay? Now you thinking in a different mindset as to where, damn, my shit ass, I need to go change it. I need to go. Like, no, bro. How you gonna sit there and change your mindset or change your, you know what I'm saying, how you was thinking on that shit just because another nigga said something? That's bogus, bro. If I like what I like it, okay? And it's gonna stay how it's gonna stay because I like it, okay? Until I want to change it, it's gonna change. But you know what I'm saying? I don't need nobody's validation, okay, other than myself. That's that self-love, bro. Okay? Because you sitting there tripping about another nigga opinion, that ain't doing nothing but lowering your vibration, okay? Give you negative thoughts on your own product, okay? That you was cool, that you was valid about, okay? But now you want to change it up because another, like, no, bro, okay? Be yourself, all right? You ain't got to change nothing. You ain't got to act like nothing. You ain't got to have no certain type of status. You feel me? Just be yourself, dog, and show more love, all right? I appreciate every single one of y'all for sticking to the end of this video, digging up this game, this wisdom, this knowledge. Please make sure you apply it to your real life, all right? If you did not get the message, don't be afraid to play it back. If you're new, don't forget to tap that subscribe button, leave a like, comment down below something positive, man. No negative vibes down there because we do not care. Once again, I'm gonna leave that merch link down in the description below. Make sure you go cop your spiritual homie apparel. Right behind that link will be the Patreon as well as the one-on-one consultation. Y'all know it's extra tips, tricks, secrets, story times, all type of shit on that Patreon. And y'all know to book that call if you need it. I will have the one-on-one consultation link right behind that Patreon. Appreciate you once again for sticking to the end of the video. Y'all make sure y'all have a blessed night, blessed morning, blessed afternoon, man. Wherever you at, it's your boy Spiritual Homie Kaz, man. And I'm out.